give my feedback on a training session that I attended today, which was titled Body Language Exposed. It was a very interesting session where I learned a lot of things, new terminologies, especially in terms of human behavior and non-verbal communications. What I learned was that 93% of human connections are non-verbal communications. And it's very important that we analyze these body language gestures such as facial expressions, eye movements, hand and feet gestures, and these gestures must be analyzed in terms of clusters, in terms of congruency, as well as in terms of the context of the situation. Only then we will be able to tell whether someone is telling us the truth or deceiving us. So it was a very interesting session for me because in my line of work, I deal with various stakeholders such as policymakers, businesses, consumer organizations, as well as consumers themselves. And it's very important for me to be able to tell whether are they nervous or are they telling me the truth or are they deceiving me. I look forward for the second day of the training session. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Akila. There's a few types of facial expression that you can express your emotion without speak. For example, angry, sad, happy, disgust, contempt, surprise, and fear. Now, I want you to guess what is my emotion.
Hi, I'm Helmi Ismail. By the way, I'm having so much fun yesterday. It's been a very great pleasure to be part of this program. So basically what I have learned yesterday, number one is I realized that your body language can change people's behavior, meaning that the way you act, not through your voice but through your movement, can really impact how people around you behave. That is number one. And then number two, I've learned that your eye contact can have very big influence when talking to a person, especially on which part that you are looking at. Because there is a business gaze around this area, there's a social gaze, and there is an intimate gaze at this area. So be careful at the place that you are looking when you are talking to a person. That is number two. Then number three, I've learned about NLP. I've learned that you have to be very observant. You have to observe everything around you. And because when you observe better, so you will be able to to adjust the way you act and behave in that particular situation. Then fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, I reserve it. I don't want to share it here. I keep it in my brain. But by the way, thank you so much to Dr. Liao. So hopefully I can learn more today. Bye.
Hi, I'm Kellen here. Today is my second day. I attended the body language course. For yesterday class, I learned a lot of terms like what is cluster, what is the body language function, what is the genesis of body language, and what meaning of non-verbal communication is very important actually. I think I can know myself better, and for today I feel so excited to join the class, and I like the way Prof. Dato handle the class. I'm happy and I like this icebreaking session. I think this is my first time I attend the course like that. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. Indahkan pemandangan di Langkawi, tapi saya pada hari ini tidak ingin bercakap pasal Pulau Langkawi, tapi berkenaan satu kursus yang amat baik pada tuan-tuan, iaitu kursus komunikasi oleh Profesor Datuk Dr. Lau Chi Seng. Okey, nama saya Zainuddin, berasal dari Singapura. Hobi saya adalah menghadiri kursus-kursus dan seminar-seminar, dan saya dapat menilai bahawa kursus inilah yang terbaik antara kursus yang saya pernah hadiri. Kursus ini adalah berkenaan dengan berkenaan dengan komunikasi berkesan, yang mana komunikasi ini bukan hanya antara two person, bukan hanya secara verbal, tetapi komunikasi itu juga merangkumi secara body language yang bermacam-macam lagi. Jika anda ingin tahu lanjut pasal kursus komunikasi berkesan, sila hubungi Monologi atau Profesor Datuk Dr. Lau Chi Seng. Assalamualaikum.
Hi, good evening. I'm Effendi. I'm doing a review first day training Body Language Exposed. I like it very much, and I believe that tomorrow will be more interesting. A lot of activities. It's a fun course, and I believe that this course will improve my competency and I can deliver my job better. Thank you very much.
Hai, nama saya Aida Hanimiti Daud, asal daripada Johor Bahru. So, komen saya tentang kursus pada hari ini, saya rasa kursus ni sangat guna and more to fun learning concept, which is I like it, even though this is my first time. Saya rasa satu, saya dapat banyak pengajaran untuk diri saya sendiri, dan yang perkara yang kedua, saya still enjoy doing it, although a bit penat, but saya rasa dia fun, sangat fun untuk saya kenal dengan kawan-kawan saya kenal persekitaran saya tahu benda baru, ada banyak benda yang saya belajar, and of course, thank you Datuk. Terima kasih atas apa yang diajar.
Hello everyone, my name is Patrick and I'd like to share about my learning experience yesterday about this course called Humanology. Very exciting indeed, I would say, because I learned more about observation in terms of human behavior. Example, one of the videos that I watched about the seagulls and number of times they drop the stick on the beach, but I wasn't really observing. All of a sudden, if you observe more and staying focused, you'll find a crocodile by the beach. I wasn't observing that much. Even the trainer himself said, watch again and watch again and watch again. So human behavior is very interesting, especially to observe when they are happy or sad, when they are in fear or contempt or disgust. What I learned today was very exciting for me, especially being in the education industry, because we are dealing with students. They have different behavior in terms of learning. I had fun on my first day meeting other participants from the various background. The trainer, oh my god, he's awesome. He made sure that you learn the activities, and I'm looking forward to the second day of training and hope that I can take home something extra power with impact. Thank you.
Hai Prof. Di kesempatan ini saya ingin mengucapkan ribuan terima kasih atas ilmu yang dicurahkan. Saya mengharapkan ilmu yang dicurahkan ini dapat dimanfaatkan sebaik-baik mungkin, dan ianya bukan hanya untuk diri saya sendiri tapi juga untuk organisasi, supaya memberi satu impak dalam penghasilan kerja. Saya memang rasa bersyukur kerana terpilih menjadi seorang peserta dalam kursus ini, dan I'm really enjoy on it. You are the best. Keep it up.
Hi Dr. Liao, we had a great time yesterday, laughing and laughing the whole day. It was nice, away from office, but most importantly we learned about eye contact, facial expression, hands and leg movement, eye contact like business eye contact, social eye contact, and intimate eye contact. Thank you Dr. Liao.
Hello everyone. Today I have learned a lot on the fundamentals on how to read people through non-verbal communication, how to read or interpret movement and gestures, and how to identify lies and deception through non-verbal communication. I have also been introduced to lots of terms such as clusters, congruent, context, background and environment, social conformance, organizational behavior, introvert, extrovert, human behavior, and social learning. I also been introduced to the information on how to read people through facial expression, which is called FACS. F stands for facts, A is action, C is coding, and S is system, if I'm not mistaken. I find the class very stimulating, very engaging, very enjoyable, and full of information about body language. Hence the title of the training, Body Language Exposed. Thank you to our awesome trainer, Professor Datuk Dr. Liao, and I am looking forward for day 2 of our training tomorrow. Thank you.